Hi, my name is Rejeanna, and I'm here to do an unboxing of the monthly subscription for Fab Shop. And I'm really excited because it's the first time I'm doing it. I just started doing promo, and this is my first one. So you guys get to enjoy finding out what this fabric is with me. And right now it's pretty awesome and shiny inside, and the colors are amazing. There's this mint color, or a ice color, like an ice blue. And I also have this burgundy color. I don't know what kind of fabric it is, but it's light, nice stretch, more horizontal than vertical. Oh, this color is, I love this color, but this one I love. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cute. So there you go. And once I get the notes, I will read to you what it is. But this is gonna be perfect. I know exactly what to make with it. Hi, so I found out what this fabric is. It is a rayon viscose crepe knit. So it's really light, really drapey, a little clear, so you probably have to put a lining underneath, and it's super stretchy everywhere. See that? And so I have this color, which is a blue ocean, and then this color, which is the marsala.